Hi guys, today I'll talk about filmmaking using your iPhone and how you can maximize the quality, making your production look like Hollywood quality stuff. But first, just a quick story time. After completing 8,000 kilometers this summer, going on a road trip through Europe, all the files and the footage we had was unfortunately lost because of faulty external hard drives. Yeah. That's why the videos from this summer are so late, but I just received all my files. Luckily, they were able to recover it all, and I'll be starting going through those videos shortly. So thank you for the patience, and having this thing going on, I realized how convenient it is having some videos available on the camera roll of your iPhone. And I mean, I was able to access those files, of course, anyway, and I could start using them as a part of the videos I make. And that's the segue to this little fellow. This is an anamorphic lens for the iPhone, made by a company called Sandmarc. And in this video, I will show you how I managed to get really good quality footage just by using my phone and this lens. Shooting with anamorphic lenses is the way you obtain that famous Hollywood look, where the image is squeezed while you record it. That's basically the function of this lens. And when you de-squeeze it in post-productions, you will get a result like this. Pretty cool, right? Those lens flares are to die for, so cinematic. And by using this anamorphic lens, I really just started to realize the capabilities of the modern day phones and how easy it is to just whip it up and start recording. I could easily make a video just with this setup, to be honest, but I think for my use going forward, it's gonna be more of like B-roll additions, where I can use the look of the anamorphic lenses. Yeah, I think that's gonna suit my style. Before I start talking about the build quality of this lens and all the other features, I just want to show you some more footage just to give you a taste of what you can expect. Okay, so that looks pretty good, right? Coming straight out from the phone. The way I've been using this lens is just with this little clip, and you just put it on the back of your iPhone and you line it up with a little mark here, this white line, to ensure that the squeeze is in the right direction. You want it to be horizontal. And then it's just basically to start shooting. You're also giving the option of having an own case, where you can just detach the lens from this clip and you screw it into place, so it's going to stay fixed on the back of your phone. However, I found it more convenient to just put this clip on, so you can easily take it on and off as you put your phone back in the pocket. So let's have a quick look at this lens. The first thing you'll see is the glass element at the back, where you'll see the horizontal lines going through the element. And that's of course what's causing those brilliant wide lens flares. Also, it's kind of heavy in a good way. It's like proof of quality and a build quality that I think will last you for a really long time. However, there are some places on the lens where the black paint is scratched off. And I mean, I've been using this as a tool over the summer, just throwing it in the backpack and like really putting it through its paces. And it will not affect the performance, but I mean, yeah, it would be nice if the color just stuck completely. So with the lens, you'll get this nice pouch where you can keep the lens, of course, and the clip. And it also has a lens cover which you can put on the front of the lens. And there's also another cover for the back of the lens. So you can really keep it well protected as you're bringing it along. And yeah, the glass will be happy you keep it covered up. So no scratches to be had. Well, now I'm just really hoping to get my hands on the new iPhone 11 Pro and trying to pair the anamorphic lens with an even better camera on the new phones. And of course, with a triple lens system, you'll also have the telephoto, the ultra wide and the wide angle. So that's gonna be pretty cool just compared to my iPhone 8, which is just this one camera. So it's gonna give me even more creative freedom. Yeah, that's a combination I'd really like to try out. And I also just want to touch into an area where I really like to use this. So when we were out shooting and I was using my main camera or even the drone, I would just leave this with of course the lens on, and I just leave it in time-lapse mode. And that's a really good way of getting more footage. And time lapses are so useful to have as B-roll or just another way of telling the story. You can see time going by, and using this anamorphic lens, getting that really wide angle shot. So yeah, use this with time lapses. Really useful, and the result will not let you down. Okay, that's it for this time. Hope you liked it, and I really hope to see you back when I release the VW camper videos from this summer, which is going to be really exciting. We had a really good time. We had a lot of issues, a lot of challenges, really pretty places, and we saw basically all of Europe, covering 8,000 kilometers. So that was really cool. I hope you'll stay to see those videos too. Hope to see you soon, and please feel free to subscribe if you like these videos, and we will see you soon. Bye!